Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get instant refund on Temu. So we will just get back into the Temu mobile application here. So once you're here, you have to log in by using your credentials. So here in the bottom right, in middle you will get option U. Basically this is profile icon. Now here if you scroll a little bit down, right, you will see the products and everything, but we don't want to do that. We want to get refund on Temu, right, without returning. So here on the top right, you will see this customer care icon, support. Click on it, and here this is refund, return and refund, right? So basically you can just go into this, but this will not get you the exact solution which you want, right? But still this will show you the refund status and everything, right? But for that you just need to get refund. So here click on contact us, and once here into the contact us, it will ask you, this is a assistant, so make sure you just have a good interaction with them, right? So here you have to just click on it, and here you can just write I want a refund and just hit the send button, right? So it will give you some of the options. So here you can see, upon checking, your current account has not yet successfully placed an order on Temu. So as you can see here that I didn't place an order, that's why I'm not getting option. If I placed order, then here it would show me the product name as well as the product image, right? So for example, I will just tap here, I can't find my order, right? So here basically they can't refund you because I didn't order something. But to get it, it's very easy. First of all, you have to select a product. Once you select a product here, you will get an option to choose it. So choose on that, basically tap on it, and here you have to choose store credit, right, which you will get instant refund, and you don't need to return that product too. But make sure that you comes under the policy terms and conditions of refund and return. If you comes under that, then only you will able to avail store credit, which you will get the money back into your account, right? And you can use that credit to purchase any different product, and you don't need to pay for it. So it will show here inside the credit balance, and here you can just use this credit to buy any of the product from Temu. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.